M.A. Saleem, the in-charge Director General and Inspector General of Police, DG and IGP for Karnataka, has been booked following a complaint that accuses him of misrepresenting his official designation. The complaint was filed by a person named Murthy at Halsuru Gate Police Station on 23 June 2025. It alleges that although Saleem was only appointed in an in-charge capacity as per a Karnataka government notification issued on 21st May, he has been publicly presenting himself as the permanent DG and IGP in violation of a key Supreme Court ruling. Murthy cited the landmark Prakash Singh vs. Union of India 2006 judgment, which states that no state can appoint an acting DGP. All such appointments must go through a proper selection process and carry a fixed tenure. The complaint highlights that Dr. Saleem used the designation DG and IGP in official communications, signage, and on social media without the mandatory qualifiers in charge or prabhari, potentially misleading the public and officials alike. Murthy claims this is a willful or negligent misrepresentation of public authority and could attract action under Indian Penal Code and the Bhartiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. He has demanded an FIR and a detailed investigation into the matter. The controversy has triggered debate within legal and police circles on compliance with court verdicts and accountability in top police appointments.